Consuming a lot of spicy food might cause indigestion. If yes, chew on some Amla fruit. Is your child always getting sick because of a weak immune system? The Amla juice should be fresh and ready to be served. Have you been plagued by dandruff and hair loss? Apply an Amla hair pack. Amla, often known as Indian gooseberry, is a typical cure for many of the most common issues we face on a daily basis. It's a wonder fruit with a wide range of health advantages, from relieving gas pains to preventing colds and flu. Antioxidants including vitamin C and vitamin B complex are found in the Ayurvedic fruit Amla. In today's video we gonna talk about the numerous health benefits of Indian gooseberry, also known as Amla. So, the first one inhibits insulin resistance. Did you know that Amla is beneficial for diabetics? Yes. People with diabetes should eat this fruit since it is high in nutrients and low on the glycemic index. Amla juice is generally called a diabetic's elixir. Its ability to deactivate free radicals and increase insulin absorption lowers blood sugar levels. Diabetics may take it as a daily home remedy to control their blood sugar levels. As a consequence, diabetics should include this seasonal fruit in their diets to stay healthy. Second one is to help you lose weight. Most people don't know about this advantage of Indian gooseberry, however it is the most fascinating. Indian gooseberry contains a protein that reduces hunger pangs. Other than that, has a modest carb and fat composition. A serving of Indian gooseberry has 65 calories, 1 gram protein, 0.1 gram fat, and 15 gram carbohydrates per 149 gram. Drinking Indian gooseberry juice before a meal makes people feel fuller and eat less. Experts say Indian gooseberry may help you lose weight by improving your metabolism. Indian gooseberry's high fiber and tannic acid content helps relieve constipation and reduce bloating. Third one, improves bone health. Do you wish to have healthy bones? Incorporate Indian gooseberry and other calcium-rich foods into your daily diet. Amla is not only a good source of calcium, but it also aids in the absorption of calcium, which helps to build bones. It has also been claimed that this fruit helps slow down the breakdown of osteoclasts, the cells in the bone. An additional benefit of Amla is that it has anti-inflammatory qualities that help to reduce inflammation in arthritis sufferers, which helps to alleviate their symptoms. The fourth one, immune system is boosted. Vitamin C, B vitamins, and antioxidants abound in the fruit. Both toxins and free radicals may be flushed from the body by taking in these nutrients. Anti-inflammatory chemicals in Amla assist to reduce inflammation in the body, which helps to prevent infections. Wintertime illnesses may be helped by eating this fruit, which has potent immune-stimulating effects. The fifth one is to manage chronic illnesses with the aid of Amla. Cholesterol-lowering chromium and insulin-stimulating chromium in Amla assist diabetics lower their blood sugar levels. To keep blood pressure in check, drink Amla juice early in the morning or if your blood pressure is up. As a result, you should include Indian gooseberry into your daily diet or cuisine creations. I wish you liked my video. If yes, please smash a like button and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. I will be back with another video, so stay tuned. Till then, be safe and take care.